Hello and welcome to DevTechCare. Today I'm gonna tell you another free platform where you can learn different courses, and apart from that you can also earn different certificates as well. So this platform is Kaggle, and let me tell you first about Kaggle. Kaggle is an online community of data scientists and machine learning practitioners. It allows users to find and publish datasets, explore and build models in a web-based data science environment, work with other data scientists and machine learning engineers, and enter competitions to solve data science challenges. Kaggle offers a no-setup, customizable Jupyter Notebook environment where you have access to free GPUs and a huge repository of community-published data and code. So if someone is enthusiastic about data science and machine learning, then Kaggle is the one way to go. Inside Kaggle, you will find all the code and data you need to do with your data science work. You can use over 50,000 public datasets and 4 lakh public notebooks to conquer any analysis in no time. Now, if I click on the courses tab, you can find different courses that are being offered by Kaggle, and you can also earn certificates after completing those courses. So the first course is Python, where you can learn Python programming language and its basics. After that, there is a course of Introduction to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, Pandas, Data Visualization, Feature Engineering, Data Cleaning, Introduction to SQL, Advanced SQL, Introduction to AI Ethics, Computer Vision, and much more. Now, if I click on Introduction to SQL course, it will open a dashboard of a course where you can find different lessons which you will learn in this course, and apart from that you can also find prerequisite skills. Here it is written that Python is prerequisite skill for Introduction to SQL. And this course is of 3 hours and 6 lessons. For you to start learning this course, you first have to sign into the Kaggle. If you don't have an account, then you can also register into Kaggle by providing your own credentials. You can also register with Google or register with your email. It's totally up to you. After registering, you can start learning this course, and after completion of this course, as these courses are free, you can also earn certificates for free. For every course you finish, you will earn a completion certificate. These certificates celebrate the progress that you have made in your learning journey on Kaggle. So you are thinking, where can you find your certificates? After you complete a course, navigate to Kaggle Learn Courses homepage. You should see 2 tabs, Active and Completed. Click on Completed. Every course that you have completed should now appear in the course listing along with a View Certificate button that navigates to your certificate. So this is how you can also download your certificates too after completion of course. I hope this video would be helpful for you, and if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe my channel for more videos related to jobs, scholarships, internships, technical tips and tricks, and different courses across the world. Until then, it's goodbye.